Hey Sunshines! This Friday, I'm heading off on my long-awaited honeymoon to Universal and Disney World, Florida. My partner and I have been planning this for 2 years now, and we're both super excited to go. So I thought today I'd show you how I'm going to pack for our trip. I like to start a packing list ahead of time just to brainstorm ideas as they come up, because sometimes you'll forget things when it's last minute, but you'll remember something you really wanted to bring when you're talking about it in the days or weeks prior to leaving. We're going to be taking 2 pieces of luggage, and I'll use a small backpack as my carry-on. I'm going to fit all my clothing into the smaller suitcase, which allows my husband to use the bigger one, and then we should still have some space left for any souvenirs we may pick up on our adventures. I like to fold or roll my clothes so that they stand upright in the suitcase so that it's easy to see everything at a glance. I also organize things by day or by outfit as opposed to category of clothing, so that each morning I can just grab one roll and it's a full outfit without having to really think about it. I then pack the bottom options separately, and because all of my clothing sort of works together as a capsule wardrobe, I can pick up almost any rolled up top to go with any bottom and it'll already be a perfect outfit. I even do the same thing for my pajamas and keep them in a roll as well, and I make sure that that roll in particular is on the top of the suitcase so that as soon as I open it when we arrive at the hotel and I want to just get into bed, I can grab that first. Another useful item to pack might be a pillowcase. You may want your own pillowcase if you're staying somewhere like a hostel, or in my case, I'm going to use it as a laundry bag for my worn clothing. The next thing I'll do is pack my shoes into a reusable grocery bag. It's a useful item to have in case you need it for shopping while you're out, and then it keeps your suitcase clean from your shoes. This is the bag I'll be using for my carry-on. In it, I'm going to pack my journal, my bullet journal, some mints, my headphones, my sunglasses, and a sweater in case I get cold. I'll also make sure I have a change of clothes and my valuables, such as my wallet and my passport, just in case for whatever reason my luggage gets lost. For skincare, I'll be bringing sunscreen, face sunscreen, moisturizer, spot treatment, my DIY night serum, aloe vera gel, makeup removing wipes, my face soap, and my body soap. For makeup, I'll be bringing a few makeup brushes, my contour palette, a setting powder, my BB cream, concealer, mascara, eyebrow mascara, white eyeliner, and my eyebrow pencil. It's unlikely I'll wear that much makeup while we're there, but I wanted to have a bit just in case. For hair care, I'll only bring my shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. So that's me packed and ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications. As always, thank you so much for watching, and bon voyage!